Springs around the corner. Same as rough country delivery. Come check it out. That's how you do it. Now this is the last from 17 pallets that are in delivery. Come see inside to see what we have in stock. Let's unwrap those goodies. As always, Rough Country delivers best suspension systems, steering stabilizers, shock absorbers, LED lights, spare parts, whatever you need is in here in our warehouse. So check out the website, see what you need and let us know. Drop us a comment under the movie or just send us email and order your kit.